The USAA Secured Platinum Card in 2025 is designed for USAA members who want to build or rebuild their credit history. It requires a refundable security deposit, ranging from $250 to $5,000, which also serves as your credit limit. Unlike most secured cards, this deposit is placed into a certificate of deposit account, allowing you to earn interest on the funds while they are held. This makes it slightly more appealing compared to other secured cards that simply lock your money without offering any returns. One of the strongest points of this card is that it offers a relatively low APR compared to many secured credit cards, making it less costly if you occasionally need to carry a balance. In addition, it includes benefits that are especially useful for military members and their families, such as rate reductions under certain active duty conditions and protections for travel and rental cars. These features provide more value than most standard secured cards. The card does carry a $35 annual fee, which reduces its appeal slightly, especially since it doesn't offer rewards like cash back or points. The primary benefit lies in responsible use and credit building, not in earning perks. For people who want to maximize rewards, there are other cards that may be more suitable. A common concern in the past was that the card had no clear path to upgrade to an unsecured version, meaning deposits remained tied up for as long as the card was open. Recently, however, USAA has begun reviewing secured accounts for possible graduation to unsecured cards. While this provides a path forward, the process isn't always clearly communicated, and timelines vary depending on how well you manage your account. Overall, the USAA Secured Platinum Card is a strong option for those eligible through military membership who value a safe, structured way to build credit. Its interest-earning deposit and relatively low APR give it an edge over many secured competitors, though the annual fee, lack of rewards, and uncertain upgrade timeline may make it less appealing to some users.